Hello everyone, this is Anchor Chandni Sehgal. Welcome to my IGTV. Let's Talk with Chandni, episode 12. And we have an amazing artist performing here for all of you, or rather, giving us his precious time for a one on one chat session. So, without further ado, let's welcome the Bollywood actor, the amazing, multi talented person here on board with us, Mr. Arya Babbar. I hope you all are as excited as I am. Ready also, and your role was very meaty and very it brought out the comic factor, I would say. I never really thought of you as somebody who can do comedy also, but yeah, there you were doing it, and that was a fresh treat to see you on screen that time.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So, what is your question actually? I'm so sorry. I'm so
So my
busy enjoying
question
the
my,
compliment.
so my question
I
for
was
you
so
is,
busy enjoying the compliment. I was like, I don't care what the question is. What is your
okay,
question?
okay. So my question was, how does it feel to work with such big brands, such big production houses? I mean, uh, do you ever fear? Do you ever have the stage fright while you're facing the camera? ऐसा कभी हुआ है आपके साथ?
No, there is no
I'm
stage.
sure for your first movie, wow, not later, but still, how do you have that kind of a friendly rapport with such huge superstars when you share the screen with them?
I think, I think first of all, there's a big level of respect for everyone that I have got to work with, and all the big stars that I've worked with, the superstars, my seniors that I've got an opportunity to work with, my production houses, and the directors. Um, but I think the biggest thing is to know that you've been given this chance and you've been getting this opportunity to appreciate it and to give it your 100 best. See, I learned something when I was working with Mr. Akshay Kumar or Salman Khan or any of these actors who I always feel are seniors and belong to a different era and still today are such big superstars. I learned something from them which made me a better actor. Was the fact that मुझे ये पता था कि रीटेक जो है वो मेरे लिए नहीं होगा, रीटेक
Oh,
इन लोगों के लिए होगा. ठीक है,
wow.
तो ये जितना चाहे रीटेक दे दें लेकिन मुझे हर टेक 100% ओके देना है. And I think that is what made a certain level of respect also come from them towards me, and that's how we flowed.
Wow. I'm going to start off with the first movie that you did. So that really had a huge female fan following when it was released, and you even got an award for the best promising newcomer, I suppose.
Yeah,
Anybody would comment which movie am I referring to here? I'm going to give you like 10 seconds. Okay.
yeah, let's see, but आप पूछिए जब तक.
Okay, so in that movie, that was your first movie as a newcomer, and that I think that was in 2002 where you co-starred with Amrita Rao, right? And the
Hmm.
amount of female fan following you might have felt right after the movie was released would be, humongous and gigantic because you were this chocolate, next door chocolate boy looking really cute and, naughty and vicious and, at the same time, a bad boy with a good heart. And that's what most girls are really attracted to, you know. I'm going to be honest here. So, how did it feel, from being somebody who wasn't recognized by the crowd, and suddenly you have such huge female fan following? कैसा लगा आपको उस time पे? Did you feel flattered, or were you just enjoying the image that was created about you that time?
Okay.
Okay, let me just put it very in a very simple words. Stardom कैसा लगा आपको उस time पे जब आपका first movie release हो गया था, and all these female fans, coming all over you for an autograph. How was the feeling?
आप चुप हो जाए तो मैं आंसर कर दूंगा.
I'm sorry, I'm really talkative. I'm gonna let you talk now.
आर यू श्योर? मैं आपको 10 मिनट और दे सकता हूँ, आप पूछ लीजिए मुझसे.
नहीं sir, आप answer कर रहे हैं. We want you to answer this question.
Sorry. Okay. आपको एक बहुत सच्चा आंसर चाहिए या एक बहुत डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर चाहिए?
Both, I suppose.
नहीं, you got to choose one. आपको डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर चाहिए या आपको सच्चा आंसर चाहिए?
सच्चा आंसर चाहिए।
कौन उल्लू का पट्टा होगा जिसको लड़कियां फैन फॉलोइंग नहीं पसंद होगी अगर उसके पीछे पड़े? या तो वो बंदा मतलब लड़कियों में इंटरेस्टेड ना हो, जो मैं नहीं हूँ भाई। मैं बहुत स्ट्रेट हूँ, मुझे कोई बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि मुझे तब भी जो है लड़कियों की फैन फॉलोइंग थी मेरे साथ। बाद में जब मैं पंजाबी इंडस्ट्री चला गया तब भी मेरे साथ थी और आज भी है। And I feel very, very blessed about it, and I feel happy about it, and it feels amazing. I'm a very egoistic man, and I feel amazing. The alpha male inside me is very happy. Hmm. Thank you so much.
One.
First, thank you so much. मैं देख रहा हूँ आप लोग बहुत सारे comments कर रहे हैं. So thank you so much, and I love you all. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, all of these people are showering their love and their appreciation towards you. I would like to read a few comments. There's Sid who's saying, Aryan sir, being a Punjabi, being the biggest fan of yours since your Amule.
यार
Anmule.
अनमूल्य, हाँ.
Yaar Anmule. Okay, that was your old Punjabi movie, right? Wow,
हाँ.
from अरे बिग बॉस एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में कोई पूछा या यू वर आल्सो इन बिग बॉस सीजन 8, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस? अब तो बिल्कुल ऐसा लग रहा होगा लॉकडाउन के टाइम में भाई बिग बॉस के घर में वापस आ गए हैं, कहीं बाहर जा नहीं सकते हैं, कुछ कर नहीं सकते, बाहर से कुछ ऑर्डर नहीं कर सकते, घर का काम कर रहे हैं. सो प्लीज शेयर योर इनसाइट्स ऑन दैट.
I think I'm just happy that you know, whatever time that I was there in that house,
या
as I was able to keep a certain kind of dignity for myself and my family, and I was able to exit from there with the same level of respect. You know, I think whatever things that I've done in my life, Big Boss is not something that I enjoy talking, and I enjoy excuse me, living that experience again. It was not a very comfortable time for me over there because I realized in the first week itself that I'm a very different person than the situation I was put into, you know.
ओके.
And I think that was the last time I ever did something like that. After that, I never opted for something like that.
Tell me one thing, coming from a background, rather very filmy background, because your dad was already a very renowned name in the industry. So was it hard for you to, take up the responsibility on your shoulders of performing really, really well for your first movie at that time?
See, there is always a certain kind of responsibility, Chandni, when it comes to your first film. People want your first film to be like, a blasting hit. And but कभी-कभी बहुत बड़ी हिट होती हैं, कभी-कभी नहीं होती हैं, और वो चीज आपको जिंदगी में एक नए रास्ते पर, एक नई राह पे डाल देती है. For me, what happened was because my first film did not do well, which was obviously not produced by my father or someone, it was produced by someone else.
Yeah.
Whatever work I got or I did after that film was only because I auditioned for it or I went out and I was like, मैं काम करना चाहता हूँ. फिर जो मुझे प्यार या मुझे जो इज्जत मेरे काम के लिए जो चाहिए थी, वो मुझे प्रॉपरली जाकर मिली पंजाबी इंडस्ट्री में.
Wow.
और हाँ, और काफी लोग ये बात जानते नहीं है कि मुझे पंजाबी ਜਦੋਂ मैं पंजाबी फिल्मां शुरू ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ उस वेले मैंने पंजाबी आती ही नहीं सी. I did not know
Really?
पंजाबी.
You didn't know
Yeah.
Punjabi at all? तो फिर आपने कैसे मैनेज किया?
ਜਦੋਂ मैं पंजाबी फिल्मां शुरू ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ उस वेले मैंने आंदी ही नहीं सी पंजाबी. But then I got blessed and I kept a tutor and I learned the language even more.
And you are a Punjabi, right?
Yes, I am a Punjabi. But I'm a Bombay born and brought up Punjabi. I'm someone who
I
studied
can
abroad.
totally relate to it. Even I'm a Punjabi, and my Punjabi is not that up to the mark, to be honest. Because we are at a time, because we live the city life. तो यहाँ पे सब लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं, या तो
Yeah,
इंग्लिश
अंग्रेजी का
चलता है,
इस्तेमाल.
इंग्लिश चलता है बहुत. So हम लोग ज्यादा पंजाबी घर पे भी नहीं बोलते हैं, तो हो जाता है. But still, you actually took a tutor and you turned it around in an industry where the language was supposedly a barrier, लेकिन फिर भी
I
आपने
think
उसको.
it's very important that where you're working, you should know the language. An actor is someone who connects with people just not by their eyes or emotions or body language. You also connect with your audience with your voice, and it's very important how you use your voice.
Oh yeah, I can make out you have a very, very strong baritone, and being an anchor myself, I can tell you, voice modulation is very important when you
Yeah.
are talking to someone or maybe in a scene, I'm sure. अरे किसी ने बहुत लोगों ने बोला आपकी फर्स्ट मूवी का नाम यहाँ पे. They have already answered the question. Yes, guys, it's right. It is Apke Baras. So Ridma just said it's Apke
जवाब
Baras.
सही जवाब.
Simply Galti said it's Apke Baras. Oh my God, सबको याद है यार वो movie कितना, like it was a long time ago. That was your first movie and people
Yeah,
still
that's my
remember.
fault. I'm glad that people enjoy it. I think they enjoyed it more on Star Gold, where it keeps coming all the time.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna reveal one thing. So when I was a teenager and when your first movie came out, Apke Baras, I was a huge fan. I'm not kidding about it. I had a gigantic crush on you. Me and my cousin both. I'm not kidding about it. And we watched that movie on Shimaru like 8, 9 times. I'm not kidding about it.
Okay.
The entire way you were in the movie, it was amazing. अरे हीरोइन को तो हम देख ही नहीं रहे. We were just looking at you. Every scene we were looking at you.
Okay, thank you.
And
Thank
okay, so I didn't want to make you blush or anything, but I just wanted to be honest here, okay? So
Oh,
from
thank
that movie to the person you are right now, I can see the change. I mean, you were a boy then, now with the entire persona of yours has changed. We can see the well-groomed beard, and I know your love for beard also. So I would like to tell our viewers that you really put in a lot of efforts to groom your beard, and it's really really looking good right now.
Yeah, it's a lot. Especially in quarantine, it's like taken my life, to take care of this beard during the quarantine. Anyone who has a beard understands the pains to keep a beard well groomed without a person who will style your beard or trim your beard. It is very difficult to trim your beard yourself and to take care of it yourself. It's very difficult. But I have somehow managed to do that, and I'm enjoying the salt and pepper look somehow. I'm really liking
Yeah,
it.
it sort of looks it looks good on you. Somebody said they liked your acting best in Tis Maar Khan. So in the
Oh,
movie, you share the screen with Katrina Kaif and Akshay Kumar. So behind the scenes, कुछ pranks वगैरह हुए थे मूवी की शूटिंग के दौरान पर जो आप हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहेंगे? Are you a prankster by any chance?
yeah. See, pranks keep happening. Yeah, pranks. They keep happening. But it's not something like I
Okay.
can just remember and tell you that this was the thing I did. And this was the fun. But that shoot by itself was a lot of fun because working with Akshay Paji was a lot of fun. He according to me, like I've worked with a lot of stars, who are stars from the 90s and who still are very huge stars. But I would say Akshay Kumar is someone who is by far on another level. He is
Oh yeah.
he is on another level. No actor even comes close. Rather, I would say no star even comes close to what Akshay Kumar is.
I remember I met him during the press conference for his movie Padman, and तब मैंने उनसे एक सवाल पूछा था उनकी फिटनेस को लेके कि वो इस एज में भी इतना फिट कैसे हैं. The only
Like he's
word he said was
yeah.
discipline.
आप मुझे पूछ
Discipline.
रहे हो मैं कैसे इतना fit हूँ? Look at that man. He is. I think he's crossed 50 or something. Look at him. How
Yes,
fit
he has. And even
he is.
right now, he wakes up at 5 a.m. in the morning. I can't do that.
मतलब, I won't be shocked. I won't be shocked that even during quarantine he must be waking up at 5 o'clock. I won't be shocked. I won't be shocked. That mad he is about his fitness, and
Really?
he inspires people like him, people like Mr. Anil Kapoor. They inspire,
यार don't talk about अनिल कपूर sir यार उनको तो देख के लगता ही नहीं है कि उनकी age 60 plus है. Oh my God, him standing with maybe Varun Dhawan and Siddharth Malhotra, I would say he looks better than them right now at this age. There was a meme I saw where these guys are like all standing in line, promoting a movie, and everybody's like, who's the teenager standing between Varun Dhawan and Siddharth Malhotra? And that was Anil Kapoor. So I personally believe age is just a number. I think you really need to work on yourself and you can turn tables around.
Yeah. It's all what you need to do is you just need to be by yourself. And thank you so much, Manali. Thank you. Yeah. So
There's somebody who's saying that they would love to see you in Khatro Ki Khiladi. So have you ever thought of being that daring to get into that
actually
game
been
show?
offered. I've actually been offered Khatro. Maybe I'll do it next year or something.
Really?
Yeah, I've
Really?
been offered, but dates work out नहीं हो पाई थी इससे पहले. Maybe next year we can work something out. Let's see.
Oh, that will be amazing. We would love to see you perform, stunts in Khatro Ki Khiladi. Also, I would want to ask, do you fear anything? Do you have fear of heights, spiders, anything? Would you
I
like to share?
fear. I do fear. I fear snakes. I can't see snakes. I have a problem
You
with that.
can't see snakes.
I can't. I
Wow.
can't. Even if I see something online, even if I see a picture of a snake, I will block that profile, or I will
Oh my
block
god.
it. I will shut my eyes. I can't. I can't see a snake. I can't.
Oh my god.
It just freaks me out. I think that's the only thing.
Snakes are scary. They are scary. Okay, so now moving ahead, we have a rapid fire round for you. We would like you to just say the first thing that comes in your head, okay? Are you up for it? Are you ready? Okay. Question number one. Question number one for you for our rapid fire round is one celebrity crush that you had since you were a kid, It could be on anyone. Anybody from Hollywood
Sonali
or
Bendre.
Bollywood. Huh?
Sonali Bendre.
Sonali
I,
Bendre.
I think there's never been anyone more beautiful than Sonali Bendre.
Okay.
Beautiful, beautiful girl.
Beaches or hills?
Hills,
Hills.
mountains.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Who would you kill, marry, date in Bollywood?
Any options?
No, you can pick anyone. Any actress you can pick. I mean, you're involved with half of them, so I really don't know. What option kya do?
Why are you wanting me to kill someone? Kill, marry?
Because maybe you might find somebody, irritating on the screen and you would be like, oh, I can't stand working with this lady. So it's just a game. Just
That is
be.
so mean. That is so mean. I do not like you on screen, or I don't like you. Let's kill you. Mar jao tu.
Yeah. Come on.
That's so
Say the
mean.
first name in your head. You have to be impromptu about it.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, let me see. Kill, marry, a date. Okay, kill, marry, a date.
Kill, marry, date.
I think date. I would love to date Shruti Hassan. I think she's very beautiful. And marry, obviously, I would love to marry Sonali Bendre. The biggest crush on
Your one-time crush. Okay.
Yes. Kill.
Yeah, this is the tough one.
I don't know who to kill. Who to kill? Okay. Oh, hi. What's up? My wife from there is saying hi.
Really? Let's say hi to her as well.
Okay,
Hi.
she's
She's saying
hi.
hi.
Married date. She suddenly came out.
अच्छा ओके अरे कहीं बेलन लेके खड़ी तो नहीं है वो आपकी क्लास लेने के लिए बाद में
नहीं चली गई वो तो बच गया
अच्छा चलिए
हाँ
ओके
किल अभी भी बाकी है किल अभी भी बाकी है
किल अभी भी बाकी है
oh god that sounds so wrong I think kill Binduji because she always as a kid when I was growing up she always looked so scary and vampish that as a kid you're like ये बहुत खराब औरत है